what's happening, I'm gonna put a bit of pepper. And a little salt. I'm not putting a lot of salt because I'll be using the Mamacita oyster sauce later. So yeah, just a bit of salt, that's it. But I'm probably gonna put a little more of the pepper. I really like the pepper as well, as you can see. In all my cooking I always use pepper. So there. So now we're adding this Mamacita oyster sauce. This is like a leftover in this bottle. Good thing I bought the other bottle when I went grocery shopping. So I was like a bit panicky. I can't remember really if I bought it. So yeah, so I'm pouring everything there. And of course, add a little more from the new bottle. So when I cook, I don't really like to measure it. When I put sauce like that, I don't really like measure it. I just know that it's enough. That's fun, right? I just know that it's enough, right? So I don't think it's enough. I'm gonna put a little more later, but yeah, just so that the taste will go into the meat. So yeah, let's let it simmer for a bit, and like in 2 minutes I'll be adding the vegetable. So now I think the meat are ready, so I will be adding the vegetable. Let's see, I'm gonna start with this green bell pepper. Mix it a bit. Add the yellow one and a bit of onions are there anyway, so yeah, mix it. So you can see that the vegetable now overpowers the meat, which is good. I mean, like, I am into a really healthy dish here. So now we put the red bell pepper and the rest of the onion goes in. So we're not gonna put any more liquid inside. Let the vegetable cook with in that whatever steam it's coming. It's giving. So yeah, see, that is already very nice looking dish. There goes the last bell pepper. So we're just gonna mix it a bit. I'm gonna add a little more oyster sauce for the final taste. I think that's about it. And because the bell pepper we can eat it like raw, so I want it really crunchy when we wrap it. So we're gonna add now the parsley. One more mix, and then we'll cover it for like 1 minute or 2, and it's done. Oh, I forgot to add a little more of pepper because I really like pepper. I cannot see any pepper bits in there. Yeah. So a little more pepper, and as I said, we're gonna add a bit more of olive oil. So here goes the last dash of olive oil. Wow. Taste, and I'm so sure it will taste good. but the look, I mean the how it looks is really refreshing. It's like summer in Kuwait is here already in our house. That's awesome, right?
No, it's not awesome.
So that's my son. You'll be eating fajita. I'm gonna wrap it with the tortilla wrap.
Oh yes.
See?
Thank you.
I'm so sure he'll like it.
I thought there is another piece.
Okay,
Thing
so
inside
that's
the
it.
tortilla.
I'm gonna cover it for 1 minute and it's cooked.
Yes.